what the completed road looks like on the East Coast. This is Atlantic Gardens. So the last time we showed this section of the East Coast Road, it was still under construction. You want to see how far it's come. At least this section seems to be complete, although the road still seems to be under construction up ahead. So let's take a look.
Oh, this is my day. I'm ready to take it on, come what may.
So what you can see here is that the road has been completed. This section of road has been completed. In other words, they've succeeded in widening the road, but only one half, that is the northern corridor, is being used. The southern corridor is kind of detour, maybe a construction detour, right? Construction detour for this section. Southern section is not quite ready. So you can see the road, the width of the road changes as you move from one point to the next. And that's most likely because they probably use different contractors. They probably use a different contractor to build the road on this side, and the dimensions or the measurements were not shared or confirmed. So you have a wider road in Le Souvenir, and you have a narrower road in Felicity and Chatamargo and so on, going east. So this is where road construction has halted. Seems to be not very much progress since last year on this section of road. So no idea why road construction is still ongoing here. Ongoing. You can see still detour signs. On it. So there's this section has to be widened. And on the other side, the road! So it seems as if the problem is this bridge. Alright, the construction of this bridge seems to be a problem. problem. Right, it's creating a bottleneck. It's creating a bottleneck at this point. But apparently, it's just the bridges, the construction of these bridges, that have held up this section of the road. And it seems as if most of the widening is already completed. Most of the widening of the road has been completed. Here, there's Montrose. Alright, this is the pump. Montrose drainage pump is located in that building. Behind this row line of buildings is Happy Acres. Alright, so this is opposite Montrose. Behind Montrose, to the south, is Happy Acres. Felicity. I did the video of this section of the street before. Felicity in Montrose, and little souvenir